Yeah, it is.
I don't see the bar across the top.
There's never a bar across the top because that's the wireless mic that's always connected. That's the one that came with it. It's connected.
Well, mine always has a green bar.
Yeah, mine doesn't.
All right, so you're going to see my, well, I wish I could say you're going to see my first walk, but I already did it because I couldn't wait. But this is going to see my second walk. Now, understand the walker is because for safety. So there's zero chance I'm going to fall because that's the big risk. So that's why I have the walker. And I appear to be walking pretty gingerly because I'm a little, I'm cocked. But I'm not really experiencing, I'll tell you, I experience a little bit of pain right here where my finger is. Very localized, a little sharp, almost pinprick pain when I walk. And they said that's normal. The surgery center called and I told them about that pain and they said that's perfectly normal. Like right now, as I said that, I'm not feeling it. It's hard to tell whether I'm feeling it at all right now. But I'm going to go all the way to Cheryl's truck.
How far did you go the first time?
Barb. And I got her out of bed. And Cheryl's probably on the toilet. I could probably get her. Cheryl, where are you? What if I fall right here? Oh, you're off. Here's my nurse. Should I try to jog, do you think?
Well, can you run in place? All right, you're doing pretty good. I need one of those straps to hold me back. You're doing good, my friend. Don't overdo it, though.
This is going to be it for the day.
Okay.
Isn't that sufficient, you think?
Yes, I think that's more than sufficient, because if you overdo it, you're going to be hurting. A little bit at a time, baby steps.
So
you're walking nice and straight. You need to concentrate on keeping that bad leg straight, because for so long you've bowed it out.
Well, it's straight now, isn't it?
Yes, sir. And be
so
sure you stand
this
up.
is pretty remarkable that this is Friday. At what time, Sally?
1 o'clock.
And I was under the knife at 2 o'clock in the afternoon just Monday.
Pretty amazing.
He's doing incredible.
So that, guys, is going to be my report for today. I always have to do that to know what day it is.
Me too.
It's the 21st of March, 2025, right?
Yeah.
And that's my report for today. That's how I'm moving around. I'm pretty excited about it. My swelling is pretty much gone. I really don't have any swelling anymore. There's no, this is the incision site right here, and I can tap. No pain. And what else can I say? What else? I can't think of anything else that would be of interest to anybody. Like I said, this is for safety. I could walk without it, but I'm just not going to, because why take the risk? And everyone, my medical professionals and friends say, don't do it, so I'm not going to do it. But I could, but I'm not going to.
Good plan.
Good plan. And Dottie's here, Kit's here. That's it. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. I know how to turn this off with this.